Hello, guess where we are? The Ikea car park. Yep, we're back. This is our home. We've had a morning of some productivity. It was meant to be we're meant to go oh, let's just have a rest day, let's just chill. But we then decided not to. So
why? Explain why.
We've done a shop. We had a look at some panels. I don't remember if we told you the initial idea, I'm sure we did, of buying wood, getting it cut down to size and just paneling and put it on there. But then we found those things there. 5 wood look self-adhesive panels. So they were, how much were they each? $12, so £6 each. So we bought 4 packets of them, and so that will be the walls. So that was useful because they were going out of stock. It was a clearance sale, so we saw them, picked them up. Hopefully they should do the job, and then we save a lot of money. We're thinking of painting them as well. So now we are back in Ikea. We're going to have some lunch, which Aleja is beautifully making. Smile.
Hi.
And then we're going to get to priming the roof. Look at that roof. So yeah, that's what today's going to be about. We'll have multiple days where we just chill in the van with a nice view, but this Ikea car park is not it. Not saying there's anything wrong with the Ikea car park. It has been our home and it has been kind to us, but we can rest in better places.
Yeah.
Why do we keep doing this? We're ridiculous. Right, what have we done?
What have we done? I think that should be our YouTube channel. Like, Aleja and Liam, what have we done?
We were going in to Ikea for a quick loo break before we paint the ceilings. Then I thought, oh, there's a as-is section where people return stuff so you get it cheaper. Let's just check it out.
As-is.
We're seeing the desk that we ideally looked at.
Well, okay, so we looked at this table and we thought, okay, it's almost perfect, but it is expensive. It's like $300. $350, I think it was. But this one is $140, which is how much in pounds?
This one was initially $399.
$399, this
so
table.
We're saving ourselves $250.
And it is, we think it fits. We're so certain it will fit. But
we're not certain. I think it's a bit too big.
Yeah.
How much we can work around it. The good thing is, I think you can move these over there.
Oh, really?
But the problem is, we were only going to get a desk after we got the splatter.
But it's easy to take off, no?
Is it?
I don't know.
Is it?
I don't know.
You get it?
I think so. I think saving ourselves that much money, and we weren't gonna go for it.
This is ridiculous. Why are we doing everything backwards?
It's like everything.
We didn't even bring the camera.
I know. We literally came in for a week. We didn't even come for shopping at all. I think we go get it. I'll go for it if you go for it. I'm so This is like his 7th time measuring.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's go for it.
I think this is absolutely hilarious. Super funny. I can't believe this is actually so out of our plan that we didn't even bring the camera.
There it is. That's the table.
I like it. I think it looks really good.
So we now have a table which we now need to try and fit. You dictate, so whatever pace you want to go. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna just...
Yeah, that's fine. I think you should turn around personally.
Yeah.
So we put it down.
Yeah,
turn around.
I feel like I'm going to go backwards.
Go slow.
get the drawers off that side. And then you go to Bunnings quickly.
Good. Put it down.
I really don't want to give up, but I feel very close to giving up on this table. Just trying to figure out the best way to take the big panels off, because they have all these little, Ikea's very smart and safe, and they all have these things, and it is so hard to pull off. Like once they're out of the little socket, they're kind of stuck there, and just trying to figure out the best way of pulling them off. I'm trying to use gravity, I'm trying to use force, but I don't want to use too much force because then that will damage the table. I'm like up and down and up and down. I need a break. I feel like I need a break. Liam said he's like maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes away. Show you what I mean. So essentially this needs to come out, so does this one, and then these little things need to be out because I basically need to move this bit to this side. So I need to take these two off so I can shift everything along. It is possible. We have actually seen the table with the drawers on this side, so it is possible, and it obviously has, like when I took out the first drawer, it has the two sides things, so it definitely is possible. It's just, I think once it's done, it's quite hard to undo. That's my issue right now, because we don't give up. We do not give up. We do not give up. I'm kind of annoyed. I took off the drawer and I didn't film it. It looked really boss ass bitch though when I did it. I won't lie. I just don't know how to take these off. 2 drawers! Look at who's back! I'm gonna need a drink after today.
How you doing?
So, I think, thing is, these little plastic buggers are so hard to take out. I can't take them out. You know these little thingies?
Yeah.
I just can't take them out. How the hell am I gonna move everything then?
Should I give it a go?
Yeah. I'm gonna have a break.
Good.
Right, you need help?
Okay, that's done. Basically what I'm going to do, who knows if it's going to work, but everything on this side I'm going to move to that side, everything on that side I'm going to move to that side, and hopefully the rest of the stuff should fall in place. Yeah, let's go for it. To talk to.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I thought you just meant like. Yes, I know.
Let's take the whole top off again.
Okay, what can I do then?
So let's lift this up. Put that Why do we keep doing this? It's ridiculous. I have no idea. No idea. So
this way.
Yeah, very slowly. And then, you ready?
Yeah.
So up. And there.
I go this way.
Yeah. So we'll put this on. Trying to match all the spots. So let's get down. Ow.
You alright?
Most of mine are in. Okay, at least we got that in. So it, there we go. Obviously. Right, that goes on this.
Fantastic. Yeah? No, don't worry. I'm going to change the things.
Okay.
I'm going to buy some nice ones.
I think after, what time is it now? 5 o'clock on our rest day. 10 past 5 even. We were talking about how for most of this week we've just gone, right, let's just do one more thing before we rest. Let's just do one more thing. And then we thought today was going to be the rest day. But we did one more thing. And you know what? It's tough, but it is rewarding. And it is fun being able to do stuff like this. And this is... I just can't wait for the end of today where we get back later than planned. Of course, we always do. But we've got the table that we so wanted in. You know, we've repositioned the fridge if we needed to. We've looked at, we're ready to prime for tomorrow. We're cracking on. We're really trying to do what we can. We're really trying to push ourselves, and yeah, it's
At the
tough,
end of the day,
but it's worth it.
You guys know, we're literally buying furniture in Ikea and doing it. But like, I genuinely think, like, I was thinking about this, and I know I hear it from so many people, but genuinely, if we can do this, I feel like anybody can do it.
Yeah.
Because we're buying furniture, we
do not have any expertise in this.
I used to work in marketing. Liam's a maths teacher. Like, I cannot, like, emphasize how, like, I don't know. I just, like, if you want to do something,
Get it done.
freaking do it. One step at a time. One thing. Solve one issue,
Really
then do
is
the
one
other
step
one.
at a time.
One step at a time.
Right, let's get the table in, shall we?
Yeah. Okay, we are losing light, but that's fine. Car park's still full, which is, I mean, obviously not this one, but over there it's still full. Right, we've got torches on. We will get this table done. You guys might be thinking, oh, but doesn't it like slightly stick out? Yeah, it does. It's fine. All right.
Who made you boss?
Who made you a boss? Yeah, it's fine. It's not flush, but it's fine.
Gonna work? Here we are.
Deposit this water.
We have fridge and table in place for now. Battery pack moved. Oh.
So,
Are we done for the day?
yes, I think the idea, just to let everybody know, the idea is, I'm thinking we get something to cover. I don't know what, so don't ask me what. But essentially, I don't know if you guys can see. So under here, we get some some other, kind of like this, mirroring this, and this will go there, right? So we have drawers there. And then these, we have one of this one of this one, hopefully fits both. So we have one grey tank, one clean water tank. And the idea, I guess, would be for us to somehow make a hole. I don't know whether we put it here and then have the tube, because the motor for the water pump is down there. So we somehow put a hole in here have the tube coming to there, sucking the clean water and then going to the grey tank. Our sink is there. This is all area that we just have desks space for, and then we have more cupboard space. It feels a little bit smaller in here, but like in a good way. I think we needed a proper table in here, and then something to cover the water tanks, because obviously we don't want to see the water tanks unless we spray paint them black. Is that a weird thing? I don't know. So yeah, so I think it's looking good though. Look at him. He is looking at sunset. Well, I think sun has set. Are you gonna say goodbye?
Yeah, let's leave it there. What a day. Slowly making progress.
Liam, that was our rest day.
Yeah.
And we made so much progress. I think that was really good. What do you think?
I think it's good. I'm happy we got that done.
Yeah.
For a good price. So.
Good price.
Right.
Really good price.
We're going to head off. So we will see you on the next episode where hopefully we're finally getting around to painting the ceiling, which we put off for the last few days. Not put off, but other things have come up. So yeah, we'll do that. See ya. Bye. Ciao. Sayonara. Oh.